Good morning, YouTube. So, yes, as the video says, I destroyed a brand new GoPro Hero Max. Well, I shouldn't say I did, my buddy Jason did, but I'm not blaming him because I'm the one that mounted it onto his bike and failed. It's destroyed. And you'll see in this video, it came off, and he had to have been going at least 100, and it had separated from the mount, and you'll see it separate from the bike, and as he rides away, it hits the ground and explodes. But the amazing part is, I'm going to show you the camera. It is absolutely destroyed. The amazing part is, as you see, it's seen better days. That whole screen is destroyed. That front lens is absolutely exploded, and then it's just got this road rash. The durability of these cameras is incredible. For this bike to, or for this camera to have come off the bike at the speeds that we were going, and then still record the impact, and then record this onslaught of anxiety of, if you remember the game Frogger, where you're trying to cross the highway and not get run over, this camera played that game, and you'll see it. It literally stopped at the perfect spot, and all these cars getting on the on-ramp are just avoiding it by inches. Inevitably, it did get run over at some point. The video had stopped recording, and I don't know why, but it was in even worse condition than I think when it actually fell off the bike. So, yeah, that's it of that. That was a kind of a pricey mishap, but you know what? I'm just shocked that it recorded the actual impact, and that just shows how durable these are. They're great cameras. So enjoy the video, and yeah, you'll see what this little camera went through on its short-lived life.